Okay, so today is the 8th. Today is the 8th June 2025, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging Call. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? All the projections, expectations, judgments, rejections, and separations, and all the decisions, computations, and conclusions that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkit them all? Just for today, if that's all you want to do. Right,
Yes.
wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis questions and beyonds. So over to Sneha. She has a question.
So my question is that I have started crying a lot and I'm not happy with crying so much. At times I feel like and when I'm crying in the middle of that heavy crying, I try to stop the crying part. I try to shift my attention because I think being crying again and again is being unkind to my body. And
Oh,
I do and one of the thing is that at times, I'm also unable to decipher if this crying is coming from overthinking about the future or I have so much things stressed up in my body and my body don't know how else to release it. I am crying. But after crying again, I feel like emotionally drained. And I'm
thank
like,
you.
why am
Thank you.
I crying so much?
Thank you for sharing and thank you for being so vulnerable. Hi, Nippy. Good morning.
Good
So today I
morning.
forgot to tell also that today the topic is distractor implant. So thank you for your question. You know, our bodies are so suppressed for trillions of years, and we are so connected with our head because there is this immediate connection and default space for us to go to, and we have stored that crying is wrong and crying is bad and crying is weakness. Crying, why should a person cry? This mind keeps telling you this is terrible. It tells you don't cry, and that is what creates the roller coaster and ups and downs of life. The point of view is that if we have the ups and downs of life, we are having a life, and we should just laugh. So can I suggest you something? Can I suggest you to use the crazy statement? Everything
Yes.
is the opposite of what appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what appears to be, and everything is the opposite of what appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what appears to be, for a few times, since you till you settle a little.
Okay.
Because whose reality is that? Everywhere you look around, people tell you not to cry. Nobody
Yes.
tells you there is nothing wrong in crying. That's an emotion that's coming. Okay, let it go.
Okay.
It's just an emotion, it's nothing else.
Okay.
And if that emotion, and crying is not a wrongness.
Okay.
There's another question I can give you. What is the joke here that I'm not getting?
Ah, all right.
Laughter will release it faster than crying will.
Yes.
Body, what joke can I play on your you that will give us the greatest source of relief?
Mm-hmm.
And everything that doesn't allow you to be present with it and never make anything wrong or right, it just is. Hey, what's this? What do you want to cry? Okay, let's cry. Amp it up. And then
Okay.
then you're done with it.
Okay.
Am I making any sense?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Nothing is wrong with crying.
Okay.
And every way you made crying wrong, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, Kovacs, VCs, Christians, and beyonds. I have mosquitoes around. Okay. So are we done or there's any other question, darling? Hi, Manisha.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Now, what is the topic today? Interesting. I think it's been coming up since quite some time and I was avoiding it because I thought some of you are not even in access and some of you haven't done any, even the bars class. So I thought, is it kindness to take up this topic? And this time it was um, ease. So, what is distractor implant? Huh? What is distractor implant, guys? What any of you have read this? Read about it?
Anything which distracts you from being the infinite being that you truly are.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? And what distracts you, by the way? Can you give any example?
Fear, for example, uh,
Hmm.
uh, guilt, making oneself wrong, for example, shame.
Yeah. Awesome. How does it get any better than this? So I have told them. I can tell you there are about 20 of them, I think. Anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of views, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living, reality, fear, doubt, business, relationships. These are all the distractor implants. And we are functioning from them continuously. They are like, what do you say? It's our tapestry. It's become our entrained way of functioning. And what does it give you? What is the benefit of functioning from all these points of views, all these things that I just mentioned? Like Lippy just said, they distract us. And we still keep using them, thinking they will take us somewhere. Are you ready to lose everything? No. Distractor implants are designed to keep you from looking at the power and the potency and the truth of you. The infinite being, the infinite possibilities, the infinite choice, the infinite buffet laid out for you. We will not choose to be ourselves for what reason? So, when I said that, are you willing to lose everybody? I was talking about energetically. Everybody's there. Energetically, are you willing to choose you? People will come and people will go. It's about not making anything significant. Whole idea is to have the energy of you. You don't lose you. Let How many people have come into your life that you don't even remember? It's like the wind coming and going. You're not stopping it. If you try to stop it, what do? Your whole energy will go into it, and you will make, if you're not able to do it, you will make yourself wrong. And if you're able to do it, you will stick yourself with it. That's exactly what we do with people. We are not putting up barriers or walls to stop someone from going and coming into your life. And that is one way we do not create limitations, blockages, boulders to our receiving. If you are in allowance of people coming and going, let people go, new people come. And how many times we stop ourselves to go and meet new people, to go and mingle with new people, to go and sit in a new crowd. And every time you do, it's always you'll always find transitions become so much easier and find better people. Your energy space, you allowing a free flow of energy. And we do not have to put people out of our lives. When I say that you're willing for them to go, they're there. You're not putting them out of your life. You are allowing the transition of people choosing what they are choosing. We do not have to control. Once we get this, it leaves us with so much of energy to live with rather than controlling. Like she just said, crying. How much did she waste time stopping her crying, making her wrong for crying, choosing not to cry, rather than just have fun? How much fun can I have crying? It's more expensive, less traumatic. It allows you to be you. I have said many, many times, and you must have heard this from many facilitators also, that making yourself wrong doesn't take you anywhere. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't start the Insta Live, I didn't start the Facebook. I am so sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry we started and forgot to say hello on Facebook and Insta Live. Now we are live on Insta Live. Today the topic is distractor implant, and we are on a Sunday Fun Aging call, and welcome everybody. So the topic is distractor implant. So isn't Sneha, it's more expansive if you let yourself be than making yourself, how traumatic it is to keep making yourself wrong and stopping to the emotion, and is it? Anyway, so if somebody, like it could be death, if someone is choosing to go, how much are we in allowance of their choice? So, what physical actualization of the terminal, eternal disease of having everything I would like and everything I desire and you're not acknowledging as the perfection and the buying of distractor implants, especially fear, doubt, business, relationship, and all the rest of them, the sum total of your choice. Is that your choice always? Do you always mapo and tolo your choice according to right, wrong, good, bad? This is our terminal disease, eternal and terminal disease to function from distractor implants. I am always stuck with what I like, and I'm always stuck with what I desire, and I'm always stuck with this is what I want, rather than what else is possible. How does it get any better than this? What else is wanting to come into my world? Okay, I am willing. So, all these things are our presumptive needs. And we lock ourselves in those rather than being a being who has no point of view and is always at the receiving end. How many things do you make as a pressure? She made crying. We make money as a pressure to push against. Relationships, body. How many of you have these distracted implants as real and true for you? Are they really true and real? You are gaslighting yourself with these distracted implants all the time. All the time you're using them to maintain your autonomy. How many personalities have you created in order to deal with these distractor implants and gaslighting that were used against you or you used against others? Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pud, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. Do you guys have any questions, guys? And how many distractor implants and gaslighting have you used against you to destroy your very being, your body, your happiness, so that you can fit into this reality, so you can create a personality in order to survive in this reality, survive within the family. Everything
Kamal,
that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pud, all 100 shots, boys, proad, bases, equations, and beyonds.
Kamal, beliefs and limitations is also gaslighting to ourselves.
Isn't it? कोई झूठ बोलते जाओ अपने आप को, मैं तो ठीक नहीं, मैं तो इनफ नहीं, मैं तो इनफ नहीं, मैं तो इनफ नहीं, मैं तो रॉन्ग हूं. Isn't it gaslighting yourself and making it true for you? What is gaslighting? Continuously telling somebody or yourself you are not good enough, or you cannot do this. How many people say तेरे से तो ये होगा ही नहीं? And then you buy into that. You are an infinite being. Is there anything that you can't do? What is the value of holding on to all this? कि मैं रॉन्ग हूं, मैं तो ठीक नहीं, मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती, मेरे से तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. Everything that is times a godzillion. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, POAS, bases, creations, and beyond. And distractor implant is a creation, is your invention, is your construct. Did it answer your question, Mamta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, Kamal, it was right in the first sentence. Thank you.
Yeah. You see, there is this. They say you are one body, one mind, one spirit. That's what we've been told by our, especially by church. Once you assimilate your into the one mind, one body, one spirit way, then you did everything according to what your church said, what your cult said, what your religion said. Isn't that gaslighting? Anything you are not willing, you don't have the freedom to choose for yourself, and you're choosing according to what this reality tells you, what your family tells you. Isn't that all gaslighting? Is What's the value of never acknowledging what you know? How many of us before coming to Access did anything what we knew? We always did what was right, what was correct, what was everybody was saying. And यहाँ के कुछ कुछ पता लगना शुरू हुआ है कि नहीं, कुछ और भी है जो हम कर सकते हैं. What is the value of never having receiving the honor, trust, allowance, vulnerability, and gratitude of you, for you, from you, within you? Everything that is times a godzillion. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, bad, bases, creations, and beyond. What's the value of never being in communion? Because when you are one with the universe, not with your mind and spirit, when you're one with the universe, there is nothing that you can't tap into and bring it into your world. Light and heavy is such a we think it's a basic tool and chalo kya karna hai isko use. If you start using this tool in every moment of it, with every choice you make, with every question you ask, you wouldn't have to bother about anything else. You will have the acoustic reality. We are living in electrical reality. We have been taught, we have learned to twist everything into wrong, right, good, bad, electrical. We are this acoustical vibration, the vibration, which is actually the wavelength that moves. But we torment it, we twist it, we torture it into an electric vibration in order to fit into this reality. We convert wherever you're feeling nice and airy, and you have to make it wrong. ये क्या है, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही, मेरे को कुछ करना चाहिए. Space, we are scared of space. In the beginning, when I came to Access, and when I was like ease joy, it felt like there was something wrong. Hi Neera. Hi Kavi. Ravi. Welcome. Neera, why aren't you here? And we got our bodies to entrain to that point of view also. And when you create judgment, that is also coming out of who you are into something that you're not. You are this amazing vibration. And that is our access, Gary says, is our target, to get you to the point where you can be totally acoustical. Any time you move into something that you're not, your body will tell you. Your body is sounding board. When you are in nature, some of you go for walks in the morning to nicer places. We have Chandigarh, we have the lake. And from when I was living in Sector 8, I used to go there every day. When you're out in nature, you feel the acoustical vibration of nature. You can feel that energy, which is that energy which is more aligned with what you are. And the moment you come home, the moment you go into the mall, the moment you are in a group, in a crowd, you're picking up everything and your body starts to feel heavy. Where are you? Where are you then in the equation? Nowhere. And you think that's the way you learn to live then. And that is the way you become finally right with the rest of the world. I mean, now when becoming aware of it, I don't see there is any value in letting yourself twist and turn and everything according to what everybody else is doing. An electrical vibration are thoughts, feelings, emotions, sex, no sex. What identity are you using? Are you choosing to be the electrical no. What is the value of having or choosing the identity or the personality that takes away your acoustical vibration? And you limit and define yourself for what reason? And then you believe every limitation you believe is you. You're not that. You're picking up that. That's not you. If you choose in every now moment to be present and to be that acoustical, how much freedom will there be? Would you be judging yourself? You would be judging people? How much of bodies we have turned into electrical so we can make it a judgeable offense? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, but all 100 shows, boys, pervert, dishes, kisses, and beyond. Sorry. Any questions? And how many of these distracted implants control you? Have you even realized that? How many distracted implants do you have controlling you? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, but all 100 shots, boys, pervert, basis, questions, and beyond. Isn't it insanity? aligning and agreeing with everybody who is twisting and turning and learning to live like that. You're the source of creation. You're using all this to lock up and limit your life, your living, your reality, your body, your generative and creative capacities. For what reason? The more you become aware of it, the more you know what choices you're making, where you're going, and will this choice create or not. It's a terminal, incurable disease. And once you run and pock and pod all these every time, you can be free of them. We use this in every area of our life. Everywhere. Money. Distractor implants removes your choice and makes you non-functional. They are always a lie. If you are functioning from this fear, for example, you can't ever get truth or clarity about what's going on. All these distractor implants. If you're functioning from these, you can't ever get truth or clarity about what's going on. It takes you out of being you. If you were being you, would you be ever angry? And we do anger management. Does anger management ever work? There are so many courses and so many people who are online are doing anger management. This is how you manage it. Why would you want to manage it? Want to be angry? Get out with it and go. Like you want to cry, go and do it. I'm not saying go and please, but ask a question. Basically, life is a distractor implant. So what are we doing? Every way you're trying to solve your life. Every way you recognize you cannot change it. You have to be willing to get rid of all these distraction implants and ask a question. If you want a different life, everywhere you created these fear and all these distractor implants, take anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, get any of these. And you have made them true, real. This is the way it is. This is the way it has to be. I had to get angry. That one did that. Interesting point of view. I have that point of view. Such a beautiful tool. It get you out of it. Every day you're trying to use your logical mind to understand all of this. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Your logical mind always takes you in circle. If this, then that, and then this. This is called circular logic. Just a simple question. Hey, what's going on? What's this? What can I do with this? Can I change it? How can I change it? As simple as that. You're distracted by these things. And you think that if I just can handle this, everything will be okay. Except it's really not what's going on. It's really not a problem. It's really not a cause. So if it isn't, then how are you going to solve it? You can't. Which is why all these things take you away from actually being, knowing, perceiving, and receiving. When you function from them, you are making yourself fit into this reality and you're making yourself human. You're not human. In this reality, people hold on to distracted plants, then they have a reason to have a problem with themselves, with people, with everything around. When you don't function from these distracted plants, it's very hard for people to control you. Every time you notice if you're functioning from them, any of those, pock and pod all that shit. Actually, it's going to foundation and all, but distracted plants are held by, we call it Shiku. I will just, Shiku is S stands for secrets, H stands for hidden, I stands for invisible, C stands for covert, and there are four U. Unseen, unsaid, undisclosed, unacknowledged. All these are that which we are hiding underneath. The implants and explants that are underneath them so that you're not able to get free. You don't have to understand them. Then there are Mobius strips and there are quantum particles. You don't have to understand all that. You just have to say no more. Anger, no more. Blame, no more. What else is possible that I haven't been choosing? Otherwise, they are running our life. They are controlling us.
लाइफ में लेकिन यही होता है ना कि एक के बाद एक प्रॉब्लम आता रहता है और एक के बाद एक हम सॉल्व करते जाते हैं. वी कीप ऑन ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व वन थिंग आफ्टर द अदर.
Is that a problem? Is there a problem there? What is the problem, by the way? What do you think problem is?
Things that are not letting us have ease in our life.
So what are those things?
It could be judgments of other people.
If you were not
uh,
doing judgments, would you have problems? If everything was
no,
an interesting point of view, will there be problems?
no,
If you didn't have to align and agree or resist and react with people, would you have problems? If you were in
no,
allowance of whatever people are choosing, would you have problems?
no, no, not at all.
So who's creating the problems?
We,
Problem is, it's what you are not willing to be. What are you
yes,
refusing to be? That if you would be it, would allow you to receive fuckload of everything, including
absolutely.
money.
Yes,
Problems are created. And then we get so efficient in it that we keep creating them more to solve them.
right.
If you were receiving everything, it
Hmm.
is it is what you're refusing to be that keeps you from receiving. If you were being you, and if you were willing to receive and willing to be in allowance of everything, would you have any problem?
No,
You are owned. We are owned by our fears. We are owned by our problem, all these distracted plants.
right.
Pretend to be owned if you want to fit into this reality, but never let anybody own you.
Okay.
These are the lies that we live with, that we've created ourselves in that cocoon of the lies. Ask questions. The moment you decide anything, you're out of question. The moment you conclude anything, you're out of question. The moment you ask question, more doors will open.
Can I say something?
Yes, please, go for it.
थैंक यू। कंवल जी, आपने हमें एक बहुत बड़ा पिटारा भेंट किया है, गिफ्ट किया है, ये एक्सेस के टूल्स भर के। और ये मैं हमेशा सामने रखती हूँ। जैसे ही कोई ऐसा थॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने वाला आता है, मैं सोचती हूँ आपको, आपका वो संडे का चेहरा, एंड मैं बोलती हूँ अब क्या निकालू इसमें से। एंड आपने इतना सही बोला कि वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ स्पेस ईज। तो ये स्पेस का पता ही नहीं था, ईज भी कभी नहीं था लाइफ में, तब आ गया है तो जी घबरा जाता है कि इस ईज का क्या करूं। लेकिन तुरंत ही आपका वो पिटारा मैं खुलती हूँ, और लाइफ हैज रियली बिकम वेरी इजी। सो आई लव यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, darling, for using these tools. They are there. How many of us use it? How many of us buy into this reality's point of view? How many of us make ourselves wrong all the time? How many of us is always looking for problems to create, repair and fix, rather than move and enjoy? Everything that brought up would be willing to destroy and uncare it all, right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, provides, basic equations, and beyond. If you had a lot of money in your life, would you have any problems? Of course, the people who create problems will always create problems. You have to create problems in order to have problems. And everywhere we have only learned to create problems to solve problems, and then we become problem solvers, and then we give a pat us to ourselves. Hey, I was able to do that. Hi, Kalpana. Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward. Geeta. Hi, Geeta. Neelam. Lovely to have you here. I hope this contributes to you. If you're waiting for your life to happen, then you're never living. If you're waiting for your life to occur, you're not living. If you enjoy every moment of every day and ask, hey, what else is possible? And how does it get any better than this? And what else can I do that will be fun? And what else? You could die the next moment and regret that I never lived. That is why we say live from 10-second increment in access. If you haven't enjoyed today, he says, Gary always says, why are you here? Enjoy what you have now. Be grateful for what you have now. And you can ask, if I were to have the life I have always been unwilling to have, what would I have to be and do? Just that. Contribute to you rather than become good contributing to people. How much are you contributing to yourself? You're always looking for what I can do for others. And they don't even want it. And contributing can just be being the energy that creates ease in people's worlds. What can I be today that would contribute to the world, consciousness. To me, my life, my money flows. Everybody else's life. Just ask, and you will get the opportunities, you will get the possibilities, and you choose from what you want to do. As easy as that. I am good, Ranveer. I'm very, very good. Thank you for asking. And if you function from this acoustical vibration and you function from the present and you have no to fight anybody, all kinds of things will show up for you. You don't want that. You want problems. Otherwise, what the life would be if I didn't have problems? If you have a, if you're always functioning from this one didn't give me anything, that one did. If a projection and expectation that people have to give you something back for what you are doing or what you're not doing, or because they are in a position, they are parents, they should be doing something for you. Then you can only have and receive the little crumbs they are capable of giving it to you. And the reality is that you can't receive anything that somebody can't give. उनके पास ही नहीं है, वो तुमको कैसे देंगे? Are they the abundant being for themselves? Are they splurging and having a beautiful, wonderful life? No. Whether you get anything back or not is irrelevant. It's you who creates your phenomenal life. If you're willing to, if you're willing to create a phenomenal life, can anybody stop you? You are the only one who can stop you. Nobody else. So when somebody gets angry at you, let's take that example. If somebody is getting angry at you, what do? Do you back up? Because you're trying to keep peace? If peace is a distractor implant, what are you doing? Instead of backing down, what would create if you would get angry at them again? You know, when my son was very, 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 very small, he was, I think, hardly few months, and he would just hold my hair and pull back. Whatever he could get hold of, he would pull, and sometimes it would be my hair. And I would hold his and pull, and he would just leave. If you don't hold back, people will keep creating you like a shit. And if you only get back at them, please ask a question because don't because Kamal said that I'm going to fight with people. You're more aware than what I am saying. And if you get back at them, they will be like, ये क्या हुआ? Distractor implants are all designed to control you. If you allow them to control you, then they've got the result they wanted, the result they were looking for. You say, oh, I tolerate the shit. No, that's superiority. Every way you're creating yourself, assuming yourself to be a very nice person. I tolerate all this shit. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? That's not creation. That's not you. You're not a doormat. What can I gift that would allow me to receive more? What can I give to this person? What can I gift this person to get what I desire? What future would you want to create? There are only 3 minutes left, and I've been talking, and nobody has any questions.
Hello.
Yes, Namrata?
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Good
Such a lovely
morning.
call. Somehow I missed last week only, and today just because of birds and all. I don't know, somehow, I wanted to attend class last week also, but I was sleeping. And today I knew something is there. So thank you. This is wonderful call.
Thank
And
you.
even like birds, birds reminded me again
Thank,
today.
thank you
Yeah.
for choosing it, girl. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask, like, can we destroy distractor implant forever?
Sorry,
Can we destroy distractor implants forever?
can you?
So, yeah, yes. So
Because they're not just one, there are so many in every area of your life. Are you willing to
they are construct, right?
uh,
Somewhere I
yeah, they're the
now,
one
but
you're choosing it. If you're choosing anger, rage, fury, hate, if you stop choosing them, they're gone. If you stop blaming people and stop going into shame of you, if you stop regretting, oh, that's bygone is bygone, now what can I do, and you never go into guilt because that's what the choice you made, it didn't work, sorry, now next. If you're always functioning from that, and you're not, love has we say love has so much of judgment, and
hmm,
everybody on the planet has a different definition for love. Isn't it a distractor implant? What if instead of love you had gratitude for that person? Like we were talking just now about peace. Somebody's getting angry at you and you want peace. Peace is a distractor implant. Peace is, in that case, peace is allowing that person to, enabling that person to not look at themselves and just getting angry. The moment you change the way you
yeah,
look at things, the person will have to question himself or herself.
right.
So everywhere you say, I want peace, what do you want? At all cost, you'll have to judge yourself every time. Oh, I'm
Yeah,
not
you can't be
peaceful,
angry.
wrong. Oh, I'm not. That's distracting you from being who you truly be. You are a peaceful being, unless you choose not to be.
Yes. Peace is like I perceive like you it's two distractor implants. Anger is there and you are trying to be peaceful. So again you are trying to push it inside. But
Yeah,
then peace is a natural again it's a natural state.
yeah. So all these are
Mm.
distractor implants.
Yeah.
And there are just about 20 of them. Learn them. Anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of view, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living, reality, business, relationship, doubt, fear.
Even business.
They're
Oh,
all distractor implants. They distract you from living your life fully, completely. You would give them more importance than you for what reason? You will validate them and invalidate yourself for what reason?
It's
Why
9
get
o'clock.
back, making them everything they're doing, making that valid when somebody is getting angry at you? You were saying something, sorry.
right. If someone else said.
Somebody was saying something, sorry.
I said, Kaval, it's 9 o'clock. 9 to.
Ah, my friend here is Always
Okay.
reminding me what the time is. I go overboard.
So, what I perceive like acoustic is somewhere it's a natural vibration,
That's who you
but
are.
somewhere we are just trained to do that, the distraction.
Yeah,
So if I'm
exactly.
in that this natural vibration, natural flow, life is simple like a child.
Yeah,
Like,
it is simple. Yeah.
yes.
And your body is a soundboard. It'll tell you exactly where you are. You are contracted, you are feeling less than you are in that distractor implant zone. Moment you recognize that, pock and pot, say bye-bye, no more. You can't
Okay.
control me. Distractor implants are all designed to control you if you allow them to control you.
So that's how we will embody our natural vibration.
Exactly. And
Not embody,
this
like
is a
just
simple
let
question
it go.
sorry, this is a simple question I used to ask. If I am being me, would I choose this?
Wow. Thank you.
Oxy girls, boys, no boys. Boys, there is boys, of course. So thank you for being here early in the morning on Sunday. I am so grateful.
Thank you so much.
Keep your priority to be in the acoustical vibration. Happiness is not a choice. You are happy unless you choose sadness, unless you choose yourself to give yourself a problem. You are the being that is godlike. All the qualities that God has, you are exactly
Wow.
the same. And if you're not choosing those, you are choosing something that this reality is wants you to choose. Would you
So,
choose
Kanwal,
you or you would choose the reality?
so like I really wish to be in my natural state, and somewhere I feel this is the real, this is the truth. Of course, being in natural vibration. But again, like ek pair idhar hai, ek pair udhar hai. So
That's
how
okay.
to?
You don't have to make yourself wrong. You always learned to
Okay.
be fit into this reality, and now you have these tools. It's
Yeah,
not about making you wrong. It's about making a choice to recognize who you are and choosing more of that.
yeah. So automatically I can embody my natural vibration again.
Yeah. Hey, no more. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Okay.
In your natural zone, having fun all the time.
Yes, true. And can I ask one question from last week's?
Go for
Just
it.
so last week's I couldn't attend. I wanted to attend.
That's
So it
okay.
was so somewhere I was just listening to this. Maybe my dream is something, but then somewhere we do have this programmings of labor which might come from your ancestors, but that is not my reality. So what I have seen, like something is my dream, but I ended up doing something which I don't want to do. Like
And then,
maybe yeah.
then
So how can I change those programmings, or I don't know how
no,
to.
what do you mean those programmings? You just change it by saying, I didn't want to do, I did. Next time you will know before you do it and you will stop it. You don't have to make wrong. That is a gift that you made wrong and then you came to know about whatever wrong is. Nothing is wrong. You chose that, that didn't work for you. Now you're aware. You're aware that you were not supposed to choose that. It wasn't fun choosing that. You next time when you're going to choose that, you will not choose that because you already know that that's not fun. You already changed it. Everywhere you change everything and you haven't recognized or acknowledged it, would you be willing
Wow,
to acknowledge that now, please?
Yes.
wow, this is so light.
What do you
Yeah.
call being happy rather than just choosing to be happy? What do you call wrongness rather than choosing to choose what works for you?
I have observed that I inside I really feel like I'm aware, okay, this is ease and this is what you know because that everybody has that inspiration which calls them. Everybody has certain dream, and it is not like something outside. It is like you are meant to create that. That's why it's inside of you. But then when I start doing it, I get hurdles or distract, so certain
Then you
things.
will
I
stop. If you're making something and this is problems come by, you stop.
No, I feel it is not natural actually.
No, no,
It
you don't
like
stop. You just choose your way out. You just go around things. You just go through things. You change once
okay.
you know that works for you. If you're blaming people, if you're blaming situations कि वो हो गई तो फिर मैं नहीं कर पाई, who
Not people and situation, but me only. Like
hurdles? What do you
somewhere,
mean by hurdles? You said something comes up,
like
some hurdles.
maybe resistance. I'm not talking about anything outside or other people,
So
but any
resistance, when it comes to resistance, Namrata, the beautiful thing is acknowledge that you recognize it. That is
yes. At least I'm aware.
50% battle won.
Yes.
कितने लोग हैं जो अपने आप को देखते हैं और सोचते हैं कि ये चीज मैं बदलना चाहती हूँ?
Right.
People are always fighting and proving that they are right. They never want to look at what else is possible. How does it get any better than that? They are only always trying to prove to people that they are right. They will never see anything outside. So beautiful that you are seeing that that's not working for me. I want to change. 50% battle won.
Yeah.
And then every time you're choosing something that you were choosing and it didn't work, you will automatically not choose it because it didn't work. And pat
Right.
yourself that you didn't. And it will keep growing. It's a journey. It's not, you're
Right.
not reaching anywhere कि मैं पहुंच गई इसके बाद मैं you think Gary and Dane or you think all these भगवान जो बने बैठे हैं वो सब सब पहुंच गए हैं.
Right.
It's your journey, it's their journey, and everybody's journey. We will choose what we will need to choose. If you are aware and conscious that you are an infinite being and all these distractions are not you,
Hmm.
and then you will know your path. And every time you will be aware of it. And if you're not aware of it, you will not to make yourself wrong. That's a gift to remind you, hey, यहाँ तो ये चुनना नहीं था. You never make yourself wrong. Nothing is wrong. If you didn't choose that, how will you get the awareness? Every choice brings an awareness.
Right.
So what did this choice bring? Oh, this awareness. I'm not choosing it again. Oh, universe, oh, body, oh, consciousness, help. Remind me. Next time, when you want to choose that, there will be a reminder telling you, think about it. And that lightness and heaviness will tell you.
Yeah.
Don't even
They,
have to ask a question after sometimes. It'll be a heavy. Okay, fine, fine. No more.
yeah. So, and you did beautiful thing right now. You We are not reaching anywhere. I just felt okay. This is the moment. This is everything. And I'm not. I just recognized like somewhere I felt there is some lack, so I'm reaching somewhere. But then when you recognize that, told that, oh, this is the moment I have,
This
present
is
moment.
your
Now start
moment.
not
How much
focus.
fun can you
This
have?
is
Next
full.
moment, how
Yeah,
much fun can you have? Next
yeah,
moment, how much fun? Your past is
mm.
beautiful. Your future will be beautiful.
Yeah. I'm just fulfilled in this moment, and that is like melted
Exactly.
everything. Yeah.
So that's why in the morning we say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And in the morning we say, who am I and what grand and glorious adventure can I have? And let the universe show you the magic that you are and the world is and the beauty it is.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking your question.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.
A wonderful Sunday.
Everywhere you, how often do you choose life to distract you from the joy and the fun that you actually came here to experience and have? It's a beautiful planet. What if the purpose of life was to have fun? I'll leave you with
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
Kamal.
Thank you.
Bye, guys, on
Thank
Insta.
you. Bye.
So grateful for all of you.
Well, can you repeat the question what you said in the last homeworks?
क्या क्या कहा था मैंने?
What if, we
What is
came
the purpose of life? Yeah, purpose of life is to have fun. What if the
fun?
purpose of life was to have fun? और कोई पर्पस ही नहीं है, छुट्टी पे जाते हो तो क्या क्या देखते हो?
Actually,
क्या किसके लिए जाते हो? वहां पे तो फिक्र नहीं करते कि पैसा कितना खर्चा किया, वहां पे तो फिनिश नहीं कर, फिक्र नहीं करते कि क्या, वहां सिर्फ एंजॉय करते हो. सो यू आर ऑन अ
हमारे
छुट्टी हियर,
प्लेनेट पे
राइट?
छुट्टी करने तो आए हैं.
यू आर ऑन अ छुट्टी हियर, एंजॉय.
Yes, we have come on this planet to have vacation.
एग्जैक्टली.
Thank you.
बाय डार्लिंग्स, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.